no, look and see it. Messy room for Celi. Toys and books on the floor. Let's clean up once more. Pick up toys, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Put them in the box with me. Hey, clean, clean, yay, hooray. Toys go home today. Pick up cars, pick up bears, unload. Put them neatly over there. Clean, clean, we can do. Celi cleans with you. Clean up, everybody cleans up. Make the room all shiny clean. Don't clap your hands when you are done. Cleaning time is fun, fun, fun. Clean up, don't be slow. Watch the happy sparkle glow blow. Tidy room, hip hooray! Celi clean today. Make the bed, pull the sheets up nice and tight. Oh, fluffy pillow, soft and white. Smooth it here, smooth it there. Clean bed everywhere. Tuck it in, good and neat. Happy room looks oh so sweet. Celi smiles, big and proud. Look, she says out loud. Clean